Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Bolt. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video, I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so can you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. But before starting the review, I would like to ask you that I'm not the financial advisor. I'm just telling you about their amazing project. So Geeks World Multiverse of Metaverse. You can also read their white paper, manifesto and audit report from here. You can also register for airdrop from here. Here you can see their pre-sale bonus percentage 87%. You can also buy these tokens from here. Simply just write your USDT amount and here you can see how many tokens you have received. Then click on connect wallet and buy these tokens. Next we have their official YouTube video. You must watch their video for better understanding. What is Geeks World? Geeks World is a mission to bring the world together by creating a platform to unite and empower all types of virtual reality users, socialize, engage, and advance with other players, developers, traders, creators, gamers, and many more from all around the world. Using Geeks token, enjoy and explore different world and opportunities from the comfort of one place. There is something for everyone, no matter what interests you, giving our community the power of influence the future of technology. Like this, you can read further more questions from here, like why Geeks World, what is Geeks, the Geeks Squad from here. This is an amazing project. Next, we have their ecosystem. First, we have Multiverse. Geeks World is a revolutionary VR metaverse nestled within a vast metacity, integrating interconnected metaverse for users to explore diverse worlds amidst a sprawling backdrop. Second, we have Arcade. The Geeks Arcade is a cutting-edge VR index, a playground for blockchain and play-to-earn games. Gamer can indulge in captivating games and reap reward under one virtual roof, redefining gaming with entertainment and economic empowerment. Next, we have Seed Center. The Seed Center is the vital project launchpad at the heart of the Geeks ecosystem. It's tailored for blockchain-based projects seeking efficient capital raising, offering early-stage token sales to the Geeks community at discounted rate. Art Gallery. The Art Gallery shines as the NFT marketplace within the Geeks World ecosystem. It empowers individuals to mint, store, display, and create NFTs, fostering a vibrant community where digital art finds its place in the blockchain-driven world. Currency Exchange. The Currency Exchange is a decentralized platform providing a confidential means for users to swap crypto assets within the Geeks World ecosystem. With a focus on anonymity and ease of use, it redefined crypto assets trading. Last, we have Staking. Geeks World Staking is your gateway to earning Geeks tokens for contributing to the ecosystem, validity, and security. It enables members to generate a passive income stream while supporting the community. Next, we have their token distribution. Here you can see their tokenomic circle, like 78% community and liquidity, 3% research and development, 6% staking and reward, 7% reserves and contingency, 6% founder and team. The distribution of the Geeks token is designed to ensure a fair and equitable allocation of the token supply across various stakeholders and participants within the Geeks World ecosystem. The distribution model is structured to support the long-term sustainability and growth of the ecosystem while also incentivizing and rewarding the active participation of the community and other key contributors. The distributions of the Geeks token is divided into the following categories as I already told you. Next, we have their token information. Here you can see their token information and their contract address. Next, we have their roadmap. The Geeks World ecosystem is designed to evolve and grow over time with a clear roadmap that outline the key milestones and objectives that will shape the future of the platform. The roadmap is a living document that reflects the ongoing development and expansion of the ecosystem, providing a clear vision for the future and a roadmap for the community to follow. The roadmap is divided into a following key milestone. Here you can read their whole white paper from here. Next, we have their founders. You can also see their founders from here and their team. This is an amazing project. You must join their team. Simply fill out the application and attach your CV here. Next, we have the frequently asked question. Here you can read the frequently asked question like what is pool weight? In simple terms, pool weight is like a measure of how much influence and importance a particular group or tier has within a system. A higher pool weight means that group has more say or impact in certain decisions or benefits compared to group with lower pool weights. Like this, you can read further more frequently asked questions from here. You must join their social platforms like their Discord, their Twitter account, their Telegram, and their YouTube page. You must join their Telegram community for latest update, and you can also follow them on Twitter. Here you can see their post. This is an amazing project. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.